I love playing soccer inside the house. I can kick the ball very far. Oh no! The fastball hit the green lamp. It is falling down now. My parents will be very angry at me. The beautiful green lamp is totally broken. I must hide these broken pieces right now. No one will ever find them here. Do you ever hide a secret from your parents? Tell me in the comments below.
Hello, Max. What are you doing in the living room? Are you playing safely today?
Hi, Mom. I am just standing here. I am not playing with my soccer ball.
That is very strange. Where is the tall green lamp? It was on the table.
A big cat jumped through the window. The cat knocked the green lamp down today.
Oh dear. I see broken green pieces under the sofa. Did a cat hide them? Do you believe a cat hid the broken pieces? Type yes or no down below.
Max, please tell us the real truth. Did you break the green lamp by accident?
Yes, Mom. I kicked my soccer ball indoors. It hit the lamp. I am sorry.
Thank you for being honest, Max. We love you more than any tall green lamp.
I feel much better now. Telling the truth makes my heavy heart feel very light.
Let us sit in the kitchen. I will pour some fresh apple juice for us.
Max, look at this white paper plate. This plate is like our trust in you. When you tell a lie, you break our trust. It tears just like this plate.
I understand now. I broke your trust when I lied about the cat today. Have you ever broken someone's trust? Share your story in the comments if you want.
We can fix the plate with tape. But you can still see the broken lines. A fixed plate is never exactly the same. We must always protect our trust carefully. I will protect our trust like a shield. I will be an honest boy always.
A true hero always tells the truth, even when the truth is very hard to say.
I am the hero of honesty. I will never tell a bad lie again.
Are you a hero of honesty too? Give us a big thumbs up right now.
Heroes need healthy food to stay strong. Let us go to the supermarket right now.
Hooray! I love the supermarket. We can buy some sweet strawberries for dessert tonight.
Yes, we will buy sweet strawberries. The weather is very nice for a short walk.
Let us go outside. We have many fun things to do on this beautiful day.
Wow! Look at all the colorful fruits here. The supermarket is very big and cool.
Look down there. Someone dropped a shiny silver coin on the clean floor today.
I can buy a small candy box with this coin. Nobody is watching me now. What should I do with this coin? Should I keep it? Tell me below.
Max, did you find something on the floor? Is that your shiny silver coin?
No, Dad. It is not my coin. Someone lost it here in the supermarket.
I am very proud of you. Honest heroes do not keep things they find.
I will give this coin to the cashier. The owner might come back for it.
Excuse me, my son found this coin on the floor. Please keep it safe.
The cashier said thank you to me. Doing the right thing makes me smile.
Have you ever returned a lost item? Type a star emoji in the comments. Here are your sweet strawberries, Max. You earned a nice treat for your good actions.
Thank you so much, Mom. Strawberries are my absolute favorite fruit in the whole world.
We have our groceries now. Let us take a short walk to the green park.
I love going to the green park. I will run very fast on the grass. The park is so big and green. I want to play a fun running game.
Let us play a jumping game. You must jump over this green frisbee line, Max.
I will run very fast. I will jump over the line easily. Watch me now. Oh no! My shoe touched the green frisbee. I did not jump over it completely. My dad did not see my foot. Should I tell him I won the game?
Did you jump over the line perfectly, Max? Are you the big winner today?
No, Dad. My shoe touched the green frisbee. I lost the jumping game this time.
You lost the game, but you told the truth. That makes you a real winner. Do you play fair when you lose a game? Say yes in the comments below.
Come sit on the bench, my honest boys. These red strawberries are incredibly sweet today.
Yummy! Eating strawberries is much better than telling a bad lie about a jumping game.
You have a very clean heart and a very messy face, my sweet little hero.
Look at that beautiful orange sunset. It is getting very late in the evening now. Let us walk back home. It is almost time for a warm dinner and sleep.
I am very tired now. I want to lie down in my cozy, soft bed. My bed is so soft. Today was a very long and exciting day for me.
Yes, it was a big day. You learned how to be an honest hero today.
You made a mistake with the lamp, but you fixed it by telling the truth.
Truth is like a strong shield. It keeps my mind quiet and safe at night.
And you returned the silver coin. You protected your honesty shield very well, my son.
Will you practice being honest tomorrow? Promise me you will try your very best always.
Parents, always create a safe space for the truth. Listen to your children with love.
Good night, my brave little hero. Have sweet dreams about flying over the green park. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. I will be an honest superhero again tomorrow morning.
He is fast asleep now. The truth gives him a very peaceful rest tonight.
Honesty makes our family stronger. It brings us closer together every single day we share.
Thank you for watching our story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.
We hope you enjoyed learning about trust. It is a very beautiful life journey.
I am flying. I am catching the silver coin. I am a true hero.
Goodbye, friends. Always tell the truth, no matter what happens. Have a wonderful night.